Well, I'm glad someone finally asked me this question. How can you protect your LinkedIn profile from being deleted? Now, there's no way to download your profile to be able to upload it to a new profile in the event that your profile goes away. It's not how it works. LinkedIn, if they restrict your LinkedIn profile, the application is designed so it looks for lookalike profiles. And if you create a profile that looks like the one that was deleted, specifically if you create it in the with the same email address, or try to create it with the same email address, or you create it from the same IP address, etc., the system will almost immediately shut down the new one. So you can't do that. So let's go back to the top. How do we protect our LinkedIn profile from being deleted? Well, first of all, it starts with understanding this. Understanding the privacy and terms. Understanding the user agreement. Understanding the privacy policy. Understanding the copyright policy. It starts by using the tools and staying within the lines. Do not violate the LinkedIn's terms of service. Do not violate the user agreement, because that is a quick way to get your LinkedIn profile shut down. Often I see these types of mistakes. Automation, using a VA, which means you have multiple people logged into your account and doing things at the same time, or you're using LinkedIn fast and furious and sending out invites with reckless abandon and messaging with reckless abandon, the same message over and over and over again. And those are classic mistakes that can get your LinkedIn profile permanently restricted, i.e. shut down. Number one, follow the user agreements, the terms of service. Second thing is, if you want to protect your LinkedIn profile, make sure that you have enabled two-factor authentication, that you have multiple email addresses on your account, your personal email address and your business email address, and make sure you're using a very sophisticated 12 characters or more, uppercase, lowercase numbers, and extended characters password, so that your LinkedIn account does not get hacked. More and more LinkedIn accounts that are idle are getting hacked day in and day out, and this is a classic way to lose your LinkedIn account. How do you protect your LinkedIn account? Also use it. Show up on it now and then. Pay attention to the messaging. Pay attention to the invites. Pay attention to the engagement. Give LinkedIn some time. And then the app will see that you care enough to show up, and your account's not dormant, and it's not likely to get shut down. Again, as long as you are staying within the lines and following the terms of service and the user agreement. These are the ways you protect your LinkedIn account. You cannot make a copy of it and bring it back up later on in another account. Protect it, use it, follow the policies, and you will be able to protect your LinkedIn account and be able to keep using it for as long as you wish. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope these ideas are helpful for you.